think that's good. When it comes together in a positive way. So you can go through that. I can take all that straight.
Right.
Yeah, no, I think that's all straight.
Let's stage them up, guys. It's going to be Dan Devin going first, Brian Bedard called second, Dean Combs third, Anson fourth, Arthur will call you fifth, Sal will call you sixth, David will call you seventh, Juwan Moore will call you eighth, and James Joyner I will call you ninth. Quarter marshals.
Soccer game at 12.
Please pay attention. Good luck, Travis. Wait for your name. Dan, Brian, Dee, Hanson, Arthur, Sal, David, John, James, all cars good. All right, let's take a look here. Anthony Silva, our current top qualifier, 22 and a 5/13. Body tuck for the Tiz, pulling it over the corner, help that green one out, guys. Got body tuck on the driver. On passenger's rear, we're clear. Oh man, stuck in the trap in front of the driver's stand.
Body tuck.
Backside of the track, we're clear. A little rough around the edges here in race number 12, our second of three groups of 21.5 TC. Onto the start finish line clear.
Oh, I just saw that.
Arthur out in front, 13.5. Brian Bedard second, 14 flat. James Joyner in third, 15.5. Followed by Jamal in fourth, 13.7. Danny rounding out the top five, 14.9. Arthur Knight out in front by 2.5 over James Joyner with Bodine in third, 13.1 for Joyner last time by. That's going to be the hot lap of the race. Leaders pace 22 and a 5:07.4. This is a new TQ run.
Special. Hardwood. You want to slow down a little bit.
Okay, watch it over here on the left-hand side. That comes over on the left-hand side, we're clear. 2:15 down, 2:45 left to go. As Arthur Knight out in front by a half a second over James Joyner. We got a lead battle.
I couldn't do that. I couldn't go that fast.
Joyner taking over the top spot, 13.5. Arthur back to second, 13.8.
I think we should start.
Go up.
Oh man, Joyner in that top spot, trailing by 2/10 is Arthur Knight in the second spot. Arthur down off the other show into one more, upgrades to third.
Oh,
big hit there. Those with the orange one and to one.
Head on?
Yep. Yeah, because one was turning this way, this one was turning
that way. 14.1 is going to be Joyner back out in front. James down the back stretch.
Wow, no more.
Green and white, Arthur in the two spot line, 4 people right back over 13.7, Arthur down the back stretch.
That's why we hate going to
White, yellow, and purple across the start finish line in third. All right, we got 1 minute and 30 seconds left to go, guys, 1:30 left. Joyner, Knight, and Moore, followed by Bodine and Devin, round out the top five here. Coles, David Alvarez.
No, Anthony Bisburn. Oh.
David Costa did not start in round two. We're going to have a resort after race number 19. Guys, we'll take a break. We'll do a resort. You'll be reestablished in different team races for qualifying round number 2. And then you'll hold that same race order for the rest of qualifying. So we will have a restart after this qualifying. After race number 19, we'll take a break. We'll do a little paperwork. Track will be open briefly for some testing as the track will be open. Let's just call it a 20-minute break, guys. We're going to have a 20-minute break after race number 19 and get everything organized for the rest of our qualifying. So about a 20-minute break, we'll call it our lunch break as well, as we'll be right around 12 noon when we hit that point. Join our ninth and more. Our top 3 followed by Bodine and Debbie to round out the top 5. 15 seconds left on the timer here.
That was good.
Keep going, guys. Keep going. Wrong side. And clear. 3 more to finish, 1 more to finish, and that's the race. Everybody is done. It's going to be James Joyner taking the win, 22 and a 504.8 for the new DQ. Arthur Knight second, 22 and a 507. Devon Owen third, 21 and a 501. Brian Bodine fourth, and Dan Debbie fifth. Followed by Dean Anson, Sal, and David.